Hello students, today we will discuss next nutrients roughage and water. Okay, in your last classes I will discuss about the what does food contains, components of the food, and in the components of the food we will discuss about the carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. Now today we will discuss next nutrients is a roughage and water. So what is the roughage and water? Let's see. You can see the picture sources of roughage, where we found the much sources of the roughage. So some parts of the food that we eat do not get digested completely. Yes, right. Means some parts of the food, not the whole. Some parts of the food that we get do not get digested completely. So the part of the food that cannot be digested by your body is called the roughage, right? Means undigested food in our body. Undigested food is called the roughage. It is important for us as it adds bulk to our body and allow waste material to pass out our body easily. Why is it important? It is important for us as it add bulk to our body, right? In our body it will be bulk. Okay, it added the bulk and allow waste material to pass out of our body, means which food will not be digested, that means that is a waste material, so it will be allowed to the pass out of our body easily. Okay, next it is called the roughage. Now the next is a water. You can see here water is essential part of our diet. It is important for digestion and is an essential part of the blood and other body fluids. Okay, you know about in your body 70% is a water, right? So that's why blood in less amount. Okay, in the whole body water is very important. That's why say that drink the more water, right? So that's why water is an essential part of our body, our diet. It is important for the digestion, right? It is very important which we food we eat it, then digestion purpose water is very important and is an essential part of the blood. Okay, and other body fluids, मीन्स अदर बॉडी फ्लूइड्स होते हैं जो उसमें हमें डाइजेशन वाटर की बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस होती है. वी मस्ट ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर एवरी डे. ओके, मीन्स वी मस्ट ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, मीन्स मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एवरी डे. We should also make sure that water we drink is clean, right? Means we should also make sure water is which water we are drinking that is clean or not. Okay, otherwise we may fall ill. So that's why water is very important. Roughage and water is very important for our body. Now the next topic is balanced diet. Here you can see balanced diet. What is the balance and diet? Diet, you know which foods you are eating, that is the diet. Okay, and means you can say, and balance means which food we are eating, is it is benefit for our health or not. Okay, and balance, that means all foods are important for our body. So let's see. A balanced diet is a diet that contain all the nutrients in the right amount, right? Means which food we are eating, then all the nutrients, not the only for the carbohydrates is only important for our body, not the vitamins or minerals, only vitamins and minerals are our body. It is not important. All the nutrients, which is the nutrients, means carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin and minerals, roughage and water, means all the nutrients in right amount for our body. Along with roughage and water, it is essential to eat a balanced diet for proper growth and development of our body, right? Means along with roughage and water, it is essential to eat a balanced diet for proper growth, right? Means if you eat if you take the proper food, means so you will grow proper and development of our body also. Okay, We should eat a balanced diet that include required amount of food items. Which food we have to require in our balanced diet? Cereals, pulses and sprouts, green leafy vegetables, milk and milk products, protein and calcium, oil and nuts, locally available vegetables and fruits, means which are available in your near. Okay, egg, fish and chicken. Chicken, if you are vegetarian can derive all necessary nutrients from the cereals, pulses and the milk based diet. Okay, egg, fish and chicken are also important for our body, but if you are vegetarian then you can derive all necessary nutrients from the cereals, pulses and a milk based diet. Okay, so that's why these are the balanced diet, means in these nutrients you will eat in your proper diet, then you will fit and your body will be growth and develop also. Okay, so these are the some nutrients which are important for our body. Okay, let's see on here. Milk is considered a complete food but it contain very little iron. Okay, milk is considered as a complete food, right, बोला जाता है, but contains very little iron. इसमें कितना आयरन होता है? बहुत ही कम आयरन होता है. Okay, so roughage and water understood and balanced diet you can understood.